All right. Tobin James is my name, Secretary, River State Ethnic Youth Leaders Coalition. I want to basically speak on the National Assembly. It is a shame to our fathers, our brothers, and our mothers in the National Assembly that you can use ordinary voice vote to say that you like what the president did, knowing fully well that you did not reach the constitutional requirement of 2/3. And as alleged, after collecting $10,000, as alleged, we are ashamed as your children to call you our fathers in the National Assembly. We want to, as a matter of fact, ask you to revisit your conscience and look into what you have done, knowing fully well that we are the next generation, the future leaders. You have children. We, as your children, if you are still alive and you saw us doing what we are doing today, how will you feel? Mr. President, we want to say, please reverse this state of emergency as fast as possible for the interest of Rivers people and for the interest of the next generation to come. Because power, we believe, corrupt. Absolute power, corrupt absolutely. Thank you, and God bless you.